transformation that celebrates her iconic edge and elegance. Lisa was the only daughter of the legendary Elvis Presley, but she carved her own path in music, life, and style. While I create this look inspired by her timeless beauty, let's take a moment to dive into her fascinating story. Stick around for the final reveal. You won't want to miss it. Lisa Marie Presley was born on February 1st, 1968, in Memphis, Tennessee, in the heart of Graceland, her father's famous estate. As the only child of Elvis and Priscilla Presley, Lisa's life was filled with the magic of rock and roll royalty, but also the challenges of growing up in the public eye. Her early years were a mix of glamour and family love, but when Elvis tragically passed away in 1977, her world changed forever. At just 9 years old, Lisa became the sole heir to her father's legacy, including Graceland, cementing her connection to music and history. Despite the overwhelming shadow of being Elvis Presley's daughter, Lisa found her own voice in the music industry. In 2003, she released her debut album, To Whom It May Concern, which was both a critical and commercial success. With hauntingly personal lyrics and a sound that mixed rock, blues, and soul, Lisa's music reflected her authenticity and resilience. The album reached gold status, and songs like Lights Out offered glimpses into her life as a Presley. She followed up with Now What in 2005, showcasing a grittier, edgier sound that further solidified her identity as a musician. Her third album, Storm and Grace, 2012, brought a raw and stripped-back vibe, earning praise for its emotional depth and artistry. Lisa's music was never about chasing fame. It was about expressing her truth, making her work deeply personal and relatable to her fans. Lisa Marie's personal life often made headlines, reflecting the intensity of her journey. She was married 4 times, with 2 of her unions being particularly high-profile. Her marriage to Michael Jackson in the 1990s shocked the world, as it brought together 2 iconic legacies of music. Though short-lived, their union highlighted Lisa's complexity and her desire to connect deeply. Later, her marriage to actor Nicolas Cage added another chapter to her whirlwind life in the public eye. More importantly, Lisa was a dedicated mother to her 4 children. Her eldest, Riley Keough, is a successful actress known for roles in Daisy Jones and The Six. Lisa was also profoundly affected by the tragic loss of her son, Benjamin Keough, in 2020, a grief she spoke openly about, showing incredible strength. Beyond her music and family, Lisa Marie devoted herself to philanthropy. She championed causes like homelessness and literacy and ensured that Graceland remained a cultural treasure. She worked tirelessly to honor Elvis's legacy, opening up Graceland to millions of fans and preserving his memory through heartfelt tributes. Lisa was more than a celebrity. She was a symbol of resilience. Despite facing immense challenges, she embraced her role as a cultural icon and gave back to her community, inspiring countless fans with her openness and generosity. Lisa Marie's sudden passing on January 12th, 2023, at the age of 54, left the world in mourning. Fans, friends, and family celebrated her as a devoted mother, talented musician, and fierce spirit. Her legacy continues to shine through her music, her children, and the enduring magic of Graceland. Lisa Marie Presley may be gone, but her light will never fade. Lisa Marie Presley, a woman who lived boldly and authentically. I hope this transformation captured her edgy yet soulful essence. Let me know in the comments what you think and which iconic figure you'd like me to transform into next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing makeup journeys. Until next time, stay beautiful and fearless, just like Lisa Marie.